Guys, every year I do like a traditional breakfast for my husband and I. This year it's kind of small because me and my husband are actually working this morning. But I did want to show you guys what I did do for Valentine's Day for our kind of like our traditional Valentine's Day breakfast. Right here is just my gift and my husband's stuff, our cards and our gifts and what we gave each other. And I'll show you guys what's in the bag later, but I wanted to do a quick overview of how I had everything set up. Like I said, I couldn't do too much this year because the hubby and I are actually going to be working this morning. So we're gonna eat a quick breakfast and yeah, and we have to go straight to work. I do this every year and I didn't want to miss out on this year, so I did a quick little setup. And I'll be back at you guys once we get in the van to go to work.
Up in a minute.
Okay. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I was not able to video while we ate our breakfast because we had to rush, because like I said, we are working this morning on Valentine's Day morning. I want to say happy Valentine's Day to you guys, and I love you guys so much. Thank you for all your continuous support. Hubby is not in the van right now, but like I said, we get ready to get started on our day and I am so excited. But soon as we get on the road or get a little settled, I'll get back at you guys. Bye. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a couple of days later. I am breaking down my Valentine's Day decor in my formal dining room, breakfast nook, and kitchen area, and I want to share with you guys. The previous videos you saw was the actual Valentine's Day. Hubby and I had to work. It was so hectic and I was unable to vlog a lot for you guys. And later on we did go out to eat for Valentine's Day. But now it is a couple of days later and I'm taking down all my Valentine's Day decor and I'm going to be storing it for next year. So I want to share it with you guys. If you like videos like this, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, but most of all, subscribe. Once you subscribe, hit that notification button so you won't miss any of my uploads. So without further ado, we're going to jump into this video. Guys, my formal dining room is so nice and clean. I didn't do too much decorating. I just wanted to get all of that Valentine's Day stuff put up. I will be coming back in a later video and doing some more spring decor. So I just set a couple of items out, not too much, but I just love how, you know, neat and clean, and just it's just simple, but it's nice. Now it's on to my breakfast nook and the kitchen area. So I'm going to try to get all my Valentine's Day decor in both of these areas and this one red tote here. So I'm going to be packing everything up from the breakfast nook and the kitchen area to include it in the tote with the items that I already got off of my table in my formal dining room area. You guys comment down below and tell me, have you already packed away your Valentine's Day decor? And if you have, how do you store it? Or do you still have your items up? I wanted to share with you guys some decor that I had in another area in my kitchen. That sign was from the Dollar Tree, and I love that sign, guys. It is so cute. And then these canisters here I got from the Dollar General. I caught them on their Christmas clearance, and I know I paid no more than $3 for the whole set. And I had some Valentine ribbon tied around it, and it was so cute. I was able to get all my Valentine's Day decor in this one tote, and I am so happy because I didn't want to go out and buy another tote just to store my Valentine's Day decor.